Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Ma'am, I'm old enough to order my own food, so my mom let me buy my own food.
Okay. What can I get for you?
Any whipped cream or something?
You want whipped cream?
Yes.
Is that it?
Yes.
Okay.
What's that you do? Yay! Welcome back for another video. This is me and Dolly, Rosie, woohoo. And today we're going to go to Dunkin' Donut. What do you think I should buy? Yeah, what do you think we should buy? Guys, I didn't post for my channel for a really long time because my mom was so busy. So today, we're gonna post on our channel! Yay! First, before we start, hit that like button! Hit that little bell! Yahoo! What if we think we buy something like whipped cream or coffee? Do I have chocolate? Barbie, are you serious? Are you serious right now? What? What? I just want to know they have hot chocolate. No, they don't. Oh. So let's get something like that! Okay, I'm just joking, ma'am. I want whipped cream and I don't know what that called, like something me and my brother has all the time.
The mini bagels?
No.
The bacon bites?
No.
With that.
Hey guys, so I ordered my own food because I'm old enough. So I got my whipped cream for Dolly. Hi, whipped cream! Whipped cream! Whipped cream! There. Oops. I got plain whipped cream and my chicken sandwich. It tastes good. Brought something with cheese, chicken, peppers. It's so delicious. You should go to Dunkin' Donut and taste this. So good. Look at it, in it. So good. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell. I hope I get 2,000 subscribers. Bye.